Canteen is finally here, bringing you a mouth-watering selection of food. From savory silog meals, fresh out the oven pastries and refreshing milk tea to the coolest DIY Korean noodles machine. This place is a foodie paradise. Join us as we take you inside the launch event. Taste the delicious menu and experience the fun. Don't miss out. Tag your food trip buddies and visit the YAS Canteen today.
I'll disregard you in the summer. I'm not calling out for you. Yeah, they never want a trip like you to wear me out. But if you're standing with me, but don't hold on to the fire till it burns you to the ground. Are you famous or outspoken, or just trying to live in the moment? Does it make you feel alive?
YAS Canteen is situated on Senecal Drive, Quezon City, 128 Metro Manila, conveniently located just across Fernwood Gardens event place.
I'll disregard you in the summer. I'm not calling out for you. Yeah, they never want a trick like you to wear me out. But if you're standing with me, don't hold on to the fire till it burns you to the ground.
This place is a must visit.
From their mouth-watering silog meals to their fun DIY ramen machine,
YAS Canteen is truly a game changer.
Yeah, they never want a trip like you to wear me out. But if you're standing with me, but don't hold on to the fire till it burns you to the ground.
Make sure to drop by, tag your foodie friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more food vlogs.